Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a brand new 2026 Sea Ray SLX 260. This is a phenomenal boat for the whole family, lots of style, very great performance, and this particular one's got lots of amazing options as well. Finished in the full hull white with the power tower. This boat's got the 6.2 350 IO, as well as some great interior features. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Climbing aboard this new in-stock SLX 260, we've got lots of great options inside, including the stone interior color. This boat is loaded with options, including the sea deck on the swim platform you see back there. Got a nice flip-down submersible swim platform here. A couple things I want to point out on the swim platform area of the SLX 260 that really make it stand out. One, you're going to have incredible storage under this back seat. We've got the cover in there right now, but this goes all the way through up underneath your passenger seat. You're also going to have a transom sprayer on this boat with the water systems bundle, as well as an integrated cooler back here. As we step further inside, your rear passengers are going to have a stereo remote as well as a USB charger. You got in-floor storage under your walkthrough, and this particular boat has been equipped with the boarding step here. Pops up, gets you up onto those tall docks nice and easily, as well as the standard block-off door for the rear section here. As we come further inside the boat, you'll notice a very inviting and comfortable place under this very large bimini top here under your power tower. We've got accent lighting throughout as a hallmark of the SLX line, including the Sea Ray logo projected onto the floor that you see here. You've got two captain's chairs on this boat that's also been equipped with the teak tables that are not installed at the moment. It's a very, very luxurious place to be. Lots of great storage, lots of great space to hang out. Got lots of cubbies all throughout with really smart storage and access. Up here at the helm, a couple notable features I want to point out. You got Fusion Audio head unit right here. This boat has trim tabs, which are controlled on the right side of the steering wheel. Windlass anchor, which is up front. Some of your lights, Mercury digital throttle and shift, and a wireless phone charger for your driver. You're also going to have the latest and greatest from Simrad in the NSX series screens in the twin configuration on this boat. It's an awesome setup. Really comfortable place to drive from with this flip-up bolster. Your co-captain's going to have a very similar setup here. And both of these chairs do go forward and aft, as well as a full 180-degree rotation to really open up the whole environment here. Another thing I want to point out while we're over here is the head compartment on this SLX 260. This one's got the vacuum flush, which is the upgraded head. You've also got a really neat magnetic door catch on this door to keep it open while you're underway. In-floor storage here under my feet is another great place to put things like life jackets, dock lines, or other storage items. You're also going to have great access to some additional storage here underneath your console. That'll show you a dedicated trash can on this SLX 260. Bow block off door in combination with our flip over windshield really allows you to isolate yourself from those elements on those chilly mornings. Keeps everything contained in the backside of the boat. As we come up here to the bow, I got a couple more features I want to point out specific to the SLX 260. One is going to be this huge storage compartment here underneath your driver's side helm. This is where your tables are housed, as well as your bow filler cushion. Great space for storage as well. The other thing I'll point out up here is there's general storage underneath this other seat here on the passenger side, as well as the seat that I'm sitting on here. Also got an in-floor cooler here to match the backside of the boat. Last but not least, we touched on it at the helm. This boat's equipped with the optional windlass anchor that's controlled up here with the remote, as well as the controls at the helm. This boat is really easy to use, very luxurious experience, rides great, handles great, performs great, and looks great to boot. Give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today for more info on the Sea Ray SLX lineup. Thanks for watching.